Howdy. Sorry for the long break, lost motivation to make videos, but I am back and better than ever. In this video, I will be starting a brand new Project Zomboid series, a deadly winter. This world is harsh, temperatures regularly dip below -50 degrees Fahrenheit. As well as this, there are multiple different types of zombies, each having their own rarity and difficulty to fight. I'll list them now with a bit of info. Starting with the Shambler. The Shambler is your textbook zombie, slow, plentiful, and dumb. But don't underestimate them. Since they are the most plentiful, hordes of them can appear at any time, and it only takes a few to drag you down and make you a meal. Next up, the Rotted. Rotters aren't too dangerous, being very slow and not very strong. They really are just worse shamblers, and I'm only putting them on this list because they've been reanimated for longer, letting their bodies rot and decay. They do produce a foul stench upon death. Third and finally, demons. Thankfully, not actual demons. I've called them that because of their lightning fast speed, eagle-eye sight, and pinpoint hearing. They are also characterized by their demonic screeching compared to the other gurgling zombies. Quite scary for going out at night. Thankfully, they are quite weak to damage compared to other zombies, otherwise this would be a lot less of a survival story and more of a death compilation. Well, that's about it for the upfront information. Oh, and I'm playing on Build 42 with a lightly modded game. Now I'll stop holding you up and I'll play the video. There were a few things I needed to do when I spawned. Most notably, find a weapon, make sure my house and the area around it were clear, and close all the curtains so no roaming zombies spot me when I was inside, as this was going to serve as my base for now. Dark in this room. On a side note, I would like to inform you that I had previously never played on Build 42. So excuse me being shocked when a room with the lights off is actually dark. A farewell to arms. Dude, I was in a band. Make a small excursion, oh my god. I really can't go outside. This is when the severity of the situation really sank in for me. I couldn't be outside for more than a few minutes without becoming hypothermic. Okay, it doesn't look like there's a house. It looks like there's a house pretty close. So, it looks like what we're gonna be staying in this house, honestly. And with that, my first few tasks I set for myself had been completed. And next, I needed to find warmer clothing, scout the area for goodies, and prepare a stockpile of food for days to come. Well, I guess I'll unload all the stuff that I thought I was gonna take with me. It looks like I can just cut that wood. I feel like that would be a stupid idea. I'm already cold. my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, you're not in here. They're breaking in everywhere. Oh, hello. Back out that window. You stay down. I'm interested in this one. Okay. You had me so excited. These are gun lockers. They don't have anything inside of them. Lowry Court. It's time to go in the basement. There's a really slow zombie out here. Hey, pal. With that house looted, I had checked one task off the list. Now I only needed to explore more and find more thick clothing. Did I set that on the floor? No, I don't think I did. I think it's up there. Yeah, it's on there. It's on there. I set off on a journey to go to the house I already looted and past it, using it as a checkpoint to regain body heat. Oh, a backpack. It's really the same plan as last time. Secure the area, get food, get clothes, and stay alive. Luckily it is a little bit warmer when the game starts before the true blizzard hits. Okay, now we're talking. now we're talking. That's cool. Yep, it's starting to get a little colder. It's negative 60 degrees. Whoa! Finally, warmth. Oh my god. What the? My spear broke! Have I? Is there a basement? Oh dear lord, there is a basement I haven't been in yet. Oops. Is boarded up. Not boarded up. You get the gist. Cool. Whoa! Sheet sling bag. I was just gonna rip this guy up. Dude, that's cool. You can hold 10 and it reduces stuff by 50. Alright. And the blizzard is hit. Okay. With the newly crafted bag, I could go farther and carry more stuff back. So that's what I'm doing here. It's cold out here, let me in. Oh, okay, I see you. Is that my watch? One shot. A ghost zombie? What was that? Oh, whoa! What the? Ragdoll zombie? What was that? Something of interest? I don't really care about. this. Calipers. No key. Yep, no key. Oh, I wasn't looking. I can't stay out here long enough to get rid of these guys. There's a dead girl in here. Oh my god, oh my god! Oh my god. That's gold! Oh my god, oh my god. Basement time. What was that? Whoa! Demon! Get away! That looks like the edge of the town. Have I looted this house? Yeah, I have. I can craft with that. Into my garage. I was falling into a bit of a rhythm at this point. Go out, take stuff, go home, drop it off, etc. But little did I know it was all going to get much more interesting very, very soon. It is sleeping time. Guess we'll take refuge in here. Oh, your face is truck has caught my eye. Wow, it's only negative 13 degrees in here. Oh, we have a key. We have gas. We've just found our ride. You got Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, sick. I have a straw back here. Alright, let's get moving. I had a new plan. Because I got this car, I had so much more storage space on the move. I could go out, warm up in the car, put extra supplies in the car. It was incredible. But I had a change of heart. I needed to expand my arsenal. Oh god. Good, good. Give me more stuff like that. I would consider wearing less clothing if it wasn't for the cryogenic winter happening inside. Oh, hello. Oh, two of you in there. That's amazing. Whoa, buddy! It's like a clown car. What in the world was happening in here? There's poker chips and money everywhere and a dead squirrel on the table. What? Glad some of them were slow. The plan was simple. Drive to the police station, break down the locked doors with the fire axes, and drive home with boatloads of guns, ammunition, and gear. Whoa, zombie galore. It's that guy, it's that guy. I see you! What are you doing? Oh, running. A shoulder hole can be used to store 2 pistol magazines. Yes. You're a lower qual.